Hello viewers, welcome back to Sri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College YouTube channel. This is Dr. Khyati Shah and here I am going to show you how can you assess cranial nerve 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Do follow the links in the description box for my previously uploaded videos to learn about neuro assessment. So before I start with my presentation, I would like to request all the viewers to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel so that you get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. So now starting with cranial nerve examination.
Cranial nerve first, that is the olfactory nerve. It is a purely sensory nerve having the function of sense of smell. So to assess this cranial nerve, we have to ask the patient to occlude one nostril and smell through another nostril, and at the same time the patient has to close her eyes. The patient has to identify the smell. Similarly, after finishing with one nostril, the patient will do the same test with another nostril. Okay? So, તમારી આંખ બંધ કરો. એક બાજુનું નાક તમારું બંધ કરી દો. બીજી બાજુના નાકમાંથી તમારે સ્મેલ કરીને કહેવાનું છે કે શેની સ્મેલ છે. આ કોફી છે. બીજી સ્મેલ આપું છું, એ મને કહેજો શેની સ્મેલ છે. આ તપ છે. હવે આ નાક બંધ કરી દો, પેલી બાજુનું નાક ખોલી દો. શેની સ્મેલ છે? કોફી છે. આ તપ છે. Use any kinds of substances like coffee, cinnamon, peppermint or eucalyptus. If the patient cannot identify the smell, then you can interpret that the patient is having some problem with the olfactory nerve. We'll start assessing cranial nerve 2, that is the optic nerve. It is a sensory nerve having three main functions of visual acuity, color vision and visual field. To assess the visual acuity, we have to check two things. First is the far vision and second is the near vision. To assess the far vision, we'll assess with the help of Snellen's chart, and the near vision will assess with the help of Jaeger's card. First, we'll start assessing the far vision. To assess the far vision, we'll make the patient sit 6 meters away from the chart and ask her to close one of her eyes and read the chart with the other eye. Note up to which line the patient is able to read comfortably without straining the eye. Repeat the same procedure with the another eye. Near vision is assessed with the help of Jaeger's card. We have to make the patient read the card from a distance of 30 centimeters. Ask the patient to read the smallest print possible from the card. Next, to assess the color vision, we have to use Ishihara charts. Visual field is assessed with the help of confrontation method. You can use a white-headed pin to map up the visual field. Examiner has to sit opposite to the patient at the patient's eye level. We have to tell the patient to focus on the examiner's nose. Patient will close one eye. At the same time, the therapist will cover the opposite eye. We have to check for all the four visual fields and we have to tell the patient to report when the patient can see. દેખાય છે. દેખાય છે. દેખાય છે. દેખાય છે. Repeat the same test with another eye. Now we will assess cranial nerve 3, 4 and 6, that is oculomotor nerve, trochlear nerve and abducens nerve. All these three nerves are tested together. All the three nerves supply extraocular muscles of the eyeball. Now to assess the integrity of these three nerves, one has to assess movement of eyeball, light reflex and accommodation reflex. Ask the patient to sit comfortably and examine the eyes of the patient for ptosis, nystagmus, etc. Give instruction to the patient to follow the direction of your finger. Inform the patient not to move the head but to move the eyes and follow the examiner's finger. Bring the index finger to the front of the subject at a distance of 25 centimeters. Move the finger in all the directions. Right lateral, upwards, downwards, left lateral, right upwards and outwards, right downwards and outwards, left upwards and outwards, left downwards and outwards. Alternatively, ask the patient to follow the finger in H pattern. Ask if the patient experiences double vision and failure of movement. Next, we will assess pupillary reaction to light with light reflex. Switch on the light and bring the torch from the side of the subject and immediately focus the light on one eye and see for the reaction. This should result in constriction of pupil of that eye called direct response as well as constriction of other pupil called indirect response. Damage to the oculomotor nerve results in absence of light reflex. Next, to assess pupillary reaction to accommodation by accommodation reflex, patient is asked to first look into distance and then focus onto the tip of the nose. The pupil should constrict.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next lecture on cranial nerve 5 and 7 examination. And once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.